Did you know that some fruits and vegetables look like our organs and are also particularly good for them? Let's take a look at 5 of these amazing foods. First, walnuts. They not only look like little brains, but they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. They promote cognitive function and can improve memory. Next up, carrots. Carrots resemble the pupils of our eyes. They are full of beta-carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for eye health and can improve vision. Then we have tomatoes. If you cut a tomato in half, it looks like the heart with its chambers. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Next, avocados. They are shaped like a uterus and are rich in folic acid, which is important for reproductive health and during pregnancy. Avocados help regulate hormone balance and reduce inflammation. Lastly, kidney beans. They look like our kidneys and are packed with fiber and nutrients that support kidney health. They help regulate blood sugar and relieve the kidneys. So, next time you go to the kitchen, remember, your food can give you more than just energy. It can support you on an organic level. Stay healthy.